this unit is actually a high floor unblocked view. Hello guys, I'm James from Homeseller. We help HDB homeowner to sell your house for 1999, condo for 4999 and landed for 9999. So recently I got a chance to meet a HDB 4-room flat seller located at 264E Compassvale Bow. So this location, right, is a very good location because you can actually walk to the Buangkok MRT station and also the Sengkang Grand Mall. And surrounding the estate itself, you also have quite a fair bit of these HDB shops around the estate itself. And it is also right next to Northview Primary School, and this unit is actually a high floor unblocked view. So let me show you this unit. Thank you for watching this video until the end. We are looking to sell this unit at 780k. If you wish to view this unit, right, feel free to DM or WhatsApp to me for viewing arrangement. Do like and share, and also check out our Google review and follow us for more interesting content. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.